Dark Side, and today I'm going to be making pancakes. For the stuff you'll need this. You'll need like a little jug thing, a pan, and that's this kind of stuff you'll need. The next thing, like the food, is milk, plain like this type of milk, vanilla essence or vanilla extract, plain flour, and self-raising flour, 1 egg. That's the equipment and the food. So you're going to grab your bowl thing and you're going to grab your plain flour, open it up, about how much, probably half something, how much you think. So I'm going to probably put like 3 in of these. So a bit over, but not completely. One more. 3. Okay. You're gonna put that. And now you're gonna grab your self-raising. Just this one. Okay. Grab about a little bit of this because it's just for making it get a bit puffy. It's probably about that much. Put that one in. Then just give it a bit of a stir. Stir. Right now, I'm gonna grab your milk and put about a little bit in, not a lot. And then just give a mix to see if that will be enough. So it won't, you'll know. Okay, so that was not enough milk. That's made it quite dry. It's a bit too much, but okay. Let's give it a nice stir. Oh, no, way more. You'll know once you've got the right amount. If you've got like what I've got, it's going to take a bit of a while to get all the milk in. And here we go, getting some now. But you want it to be a bit droopy, not too droopy. It's going to be a while. You don't want it to be like hard, you want it to be nice and easy to mix. Oh, my arm's tired of mixing that milk in. Here we go. This is better. Okay, I'm just going to put that bit more milk. Okay, pun? Oh yeah. Also, if you need it, grab a whisk. Like one of these. Take the spoon in. Take it all out. Okay. Give it a whisk. Once you've got the right amount of milk, add a bit of vanilla essence in. This is just a bit hard because I think. Okay, Mum, say enough. Milk. Okay, here we go. Just mix it until all the milk is mixed in. Okay, so once it's all nice and a bit watery, add a bit, grab your vanilla essence, which is the vanilla extract. A little in. Give it a nice taste and a smell. Tastes like a cookie mixer. Smells like a mixer. And then once you mix that in good, grab your egg and just put that in. Put all the egg in. You don't need to get the milk. You want to even get the yolk and just all the egg in. Put it all in. People say don't do that, but I say do it because it will go better. Go nice and thick. It will turn orange eventually, well, but you don't want it. So keep mixing until you get the right mixture. Then give it a smell. If it doesn't smell it, put a bit more of vanilla essence. Oh, vanilla extract. Okay, there we go. Give it a mix in. Get a smell. Good. Okay. Now you're gonna go over to your pan. Gonna turn the pan on. Grab your butter. It can be like a normal butter. No, stop. Over here is the pan, and you can put all the pan here. So that's the pan here. And so yeah, I'm gonna put the camera here. Okay, so once the butter's melted, give it a little stir like that, start to go around the pan. So like grab the pan, do a little drizzle with the butter. Go down. Over here. I'm not going to show you how to do it because it's going to be kind of hard. But like just grab your thing. Grab paper towel as well. Okay. Got my paper towel. Gonna put it under this thing so I can put it back. And it won't drizzle with anything out. Okay? Pour it. So the first one's in. Grab your thing and just wait. Also follow me on my TikTok account. I'll be giving it away at the end of this video if you do have TikTok. Okay, I'm just feeling it now. It's not puffy enough. I think it's puffy enough.
You need to let it cook for a bit more.
Mum, can you get something behind my iPad? Mum, can you get something behind my iPad, please? Oh wait. Okay, I'm gonna put the iPad here. The first pancake's not going to be amazing. You can if you want it to be, but yeah. Smells good because of the vanilla extract. Okay, then grab a big plate. Put it right next to here. You can. Grab your pancake. Just give it a little check. It's good. If it's not, just leave it in the hot water. But how you know it's cooked is when you fold it again. Okay, that's cooked. Okay, next pancake I'm going to pour in. Give it away. If you need to add a bit of salt into it, give it a stir. And if it's still really drippy, put a bit more plain flour in it. You can also make pancake cereal. That's pretty cool. So I might be making some of that at the end of this video. So yeah. Then put on this plate. Oh, a little bit that needs to come off. Okay, that's not gonna come off. Okay, that one's gonna get burnt then. Okay. There may be a part to this. I'm not sure yet. Oh wow, that was good. flip to check it. Next one. Okay, this is the last pancake. Next one I'm going to be making pancake cereal. Which I'm going to need a teaspoon for that though. I'll tell you what a pancake cereal is in a minute. Good. Flip. Flip. That's good. Another flip. Okay. Oh, this one's coming off. Oops. Okay. Now grab your teaspoon. And what you're going to do, okay. So, okay, just dab a little bit into the pancake and then just put it on the pan. Okay, set that. If you want, you can do another pancake, but I'm making pancake cereal. Okay. Should look quite good. Okay, just this is the last one. Then I'm going to try to flip the first one and the second one. Okay, and flip the first one. Oop. This one doesn't want to flip. Okay, there we go. Now second one. And this one. Okay, then just give it a minute. I'm just going to wash this spoon. Okay, you can put a few more if you want, because that's what I'm going to do. Okay, after this I'm also going to do a few more pancakes. So it's going to be changing each time. Okay, now we're finished with this stuff. Okay. Okay, now let's just. Okay, that one's finished. Okay, just once you're done your pancake cereal, just make sure to put them while the steam's hot. Just collect them all. Okay, there we go. Now, pancakes. I'm going to do a bit more to this one. These are good. I'm going to put this over here. So good. Just flip it again. That's good. Okay, that's the last pancake. Okay, I lit that one while you. Back up here. Good. Okay. There we go. That's all good. Okay. Pans up, everything's off. All good. Put all the stuff away. We eat, so you don't do it after you eat. Wash your hands also. Yes. Okay. Now since you've got all your pancakes on this plate, I'm gonna make you guys here. I've got pancakes, cereal, and pancakes. Yes, okay, so I've got the pancake cereal, and so this the pancake cereal is like, that's stuck. It's good. Another pancake. So I'm going to put the pancake cereal on my plate. And I'll put them on my brother's plate. Okay, now pancake. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my God, only that much. So I'm gonna put some on my pancake and my stuff. Come on. Okay, so you ready? Don't really have any left. So. Put them on the bench. Sticky table. It's pancake cereal and pancakes.
Did you do this one too?
Thank you. So guys, thank you for watching.